Hi there. Welcome to our channel, Million Dollar Resources. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some amazing things that you must know about Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Orlando. Yes, it is still under construction and expected to open in early 2023. Yes, you still have to wait for almost a year. Don't worry. Knowing these top secrets of Super Nintendo World ensures keeping your hopes alive. So, are you ready? Number 1. Theme of Super Nintendo World. First off, let's talk about the overall theme of the park. It's designed to feel like you're entering the world of your favorite Super Nintendo games. As you walk in, you'll be greeted by the iconic Super Mario Bros. Theme music, and you'll see colorful, mushroom-shaped buildings, green pipes, and all sorts of other familiar sights from the games. Number 2. Cool rides. One of the most exciting is the Mario Kart Koopa's Challenge ride, where you'll get to race around a track on your very own go-kart, just like in the game. And speaking of go-karts, there's also a real-life version of the classic Mario Kart circuit, complete with obstacles and power-ups. Number 3. Interactive elements throughout the park. Another amazing thing about Super Nintendo World is the interactive elements. For example, you can collect virtual coins throughout the park by completing challenges and playing games. And these coins can be used to unlock special features, like exclusive rides and character meet and greets. Number 4. Nintendo-themed restaurant. But that's not all, there's also a full lineup of live entertainment, from musical performances by Mario and Luigi to stunt shows featuring your favorite Super Nintendo characters. And of course, no visit to the park would be complete without trying the delicious, themed food and drinks, like Mario-themed ice cream and Luigi's famous green sodas. Number 5. Find out what's inside the iconic pipes. One of the coolest things about Super Nintendo World is the level of detail that's been put into recreating the world of the games. For example, the park features life-sized versions of the iconic green pipes that you can actually walk through, just like in the game. And there are hidden Easter eggs and secrets scattered throughout the park for fans to discover. Number 6. Here's your dream will come true. The park also features state-of-the-art technology that brings the world of Super Nintendo to life in ways you've never seen before. For example, the park features augmented reality technology that allows you to see your favorite characters and objects from the games appear right in front of you, making it feel like you're really part of the Super Nintendo world. Number 7. Meet your favorite characters. And of course, no visit to Super Nintendo World would be complete without meeting some of your favorite characters. The park features regular meet and greet opportunities with Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, and all of your other favorite characters. And they're not just static characters, they're fully interactive, so you can have a conversation with them and even take photos with them. Number 8. Exclusive Nintendo-themed merchandise to buy. But that's not all, the park also features a wide variety of shops and stores where you can buy exclusive, Super Nintendo-themed merchandise. From t-shirts and hats to plush toys and collectible figures, there's something for everyone. And if you're a big fan of the games, you'll definitely want to check out the Super Nintendo World Souvenir Shop, which features all sorts of rare and exclusive items. Overall, Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Orlando is an amazing experience for fans of the Super Nintendo games. From the immersive themed environment to the exciting rides and interactive elements, there's something for everyone. So if you're a fan of Super Nintendo, make sure to check it out the next time you're in Orlando. That's all for now. Hit the like button if you liked our video on the secrets of Super Nintendo World. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more million-dollar resources like this. Meanwhile, we would love to know your opinion, so don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.